Today we will talk about snake bite management. Snake bite management. Okay. Now, what are the common snakes available in India? Like neurotoxic, neurotoxic, and hemotoxic. Hemotoxic. Okay. In case of neurotoxic, we have cobra and common crate. Okay. And hemotoxic, in case of hemotoxic, there is Russell viper and saw-scaled viper. Russell viper and saw-scaled viper. Okay. Now we will look how we can manage a case of snake bite. Like at first, see, a patient have come to your OPD with or emergency room with snake bite. Okay. At first you will ask the patient party to have you identified the snake or not. Usually the patient will say that they have not seen it. Okay. So patient with snake bite, how, how will you suspect it is a case of snake bite? There will be bite marks. There will be bite marks. Okay. Usually, usually small two dots will be seen. It is bite marks, or there will be some local lymphadenopathy. Okay, lymphadenopathy, bite marks. Okay, and there will maybe edema of limbs, edema of limbs. So signs of snake bites mainly three: bite marks, lymphadenopathy, and edema. Okay, now how will you manage? See, there is an approach known as right approach. What is right approach? Reassure. You have to reassure the patient. Okay. Immobilize the limb. Okay. Now go to the hospital where ASV or anti-snake venom is available and tell the doctor about the condition. Tell the doctor. Okay. So see, reassure, immobilize, RIG, go to the hospital, GHT, RIGHT, it is the right approach. Okay. Now see, in case of neurotoxic snake bite, you can see ptosis in patient, ptosis, there will be some respiratory difficulty. Okay. It may be a sign of neurotoxic snake bite. And to confirm hemotoxic snake bite, you can see there is bleeding from a particular site, or you have drawn blood and the blood is oozing out from the punctured site, or you have to go for 20 minutes whole blood clotting test. Okay, whole blood clotting test. So after 20 minutes, you have to see whole blood clotting test. If it is positive means there is no clotting of the blood even after 20 minutes. Okay, no clotting. So you can confirm it as hemotoxic snake bite, hemotoxic snake bite. Or if it is negative, then you can treat it with injection TT and antibiotic and antibiotics. Okay. Now see. So at first we have done 20-minute whole blood clotting test. If it is positive, it is hemotoxic, and if it is negative, treat it like only giving injection tetanus toxoid, antibiotic, or give some analgesia. Okay. Now, if neurotoxic and hemotoxic snake bite is confirmed, at first give give injection neurotoxic, hemotoxic. At first give injection hydrocot, give injection Avil, okay, or give injection adrenaline before giving anti-snake venom. Okay, we have given it. Now we will go for giving anti-snake venom. It is at first given at a loading dose and then maintenance dose. Loading dose in 1 ampule. It should be given within 8 to 10 minutes. The rest of the vials will be given at 15 to 30 minutes interval. Okay, 15 to 15 to 30 minutes interval up till there is clinical improvement of the patient, there will be like there will be uh, like there will be absence of edema, ptosis, breathing difficulty. Okay, or okay, or in case of hemotoxic snake bite, there will be no such oozing of blood. Okay, these are the clinical improvement of signs. Okay, then stop giving anti-snake venom. Signs of improvement we have seen. Now we have to stop giving anti-snake venom. At last, we have to also give the patient injection tetanus toxoid, give antibiotic like amoxiclav. Okay, and in some you can give some painkillers. Okay, and the most important thing is observe the patient for at least 24 hours. Okay, now we have completed the discussion about snake bite management. Thank you.